The Indian e-commerce market is changing the game for users with an expected growth of 1 billion users by the year 2027. With a revenue generated of $5 billion by 2025, the online grocery stores are on the rise. The online market is booming with stores like Swiggy, Instamart, Dunzo, and Blinkit. But there is one store that is growing successfully with their 10 minutes delivery idea: Zepto. Zepto is the game changer in the Indian e-commerce grocery market, an online store promising delivery in 10 minutes. Let's have a look at the Zepto business model and how they generate revenue. Commission fee. Zepto charges commission fee from both the customer and the grocery store, around 15 to 20%. AI-driven systems. The platform has AI systems integrated to connect the customer and the delivery partner with each other for better communication. Subscription plans. Zepto also has monthly and yearly subscription plans for the user for better benefits. Ads for grocery stores. Zepto also allows grocery stores to run ads on their platform for better promotion of their services. Now, let's have a look at the 3 segments of the application. Customer segment, easy onboarding. Quick and hassle-free sign-up process for new users. User-friendly interface. Intuitive design for smooth navigation and browsing. Push notifications. Timely updates on orders, deals, and more. Easy to navigate. Simple layout ensures a seamless shopping experience. In-app payment options. Multiple payment methods for convenience and security. Real-time updates. Track orders and deliveries in real time. Ratings and reviews. Rate stores and delivery services for better customer experience. Access to order history. Easily view past orders for quick reordering. Delivery partner segment. Quick updates. Receive instant notifications about new delivery tasks. In-app wallet. Efficient payment management directly within the app. Shortest route for faster delivery. Get optimized routes for faster deliveries. Delivery partner dashboard. Comprehensive dashboard for tracking daily deliveries and earnings. Admin panel segment. Monitoring delivery partner activities. Track delivery partner performance and activities in real time. Inventory management. Ensure real-time updates on product availability. Review on the revenue generated. Analyze and track business revenue with detailed reports. Looking to create an app like Zepto? Connect with TechGropse and get the best solution for your business idea.